Welcome back to Besto LMS. In this video, I'll show you how to manage the Discussion Forum section. From the side menu bar, navigate to Discussion Forum. Here, you'll find three main sections: Categories and Topics, Analytics, and Permissions. In the Categories and Topics section, you'll see both parent and subcategories. Click on any category to view the topics within it. Next, the Analytics section allows you to track category performance and view top contributors. In the Permissions section, you can set up time-based and conditional access rules. You'll also see a list of all active permission rules here. To create a new category, click on the New Category button. Fill in the required details such as category name, parent category, or select No Parent if it's a main category. Description, icon, and icon color, target grades and related subjects, and category moderator. You can also adjust additional category settings as needed. Once everything is set, click on Create Category. Your new category will now be visible in the list. Empowering learning through smarter discussions. Besto LMS, your smart partner for effortless discussion management.